I need you to pay close attention because what I'm about to reveal isn't something most men ever understand, and it's the reason so many marriages silently collapse even when everything seems perfect on the outside. If you stay with me till the end, I promise you'll see truths that can change how you view every interaction with a woman and why she might betray the very bond she promised would last a lifetime. Before we start, take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and like this video because understanding this could save you years of confusion and heartbreak. Let me start by shattering a myth you've probably believed your entire life. Women cheat not always because they hate their husbands or because they don't love them anymore. Many times, cheating is born out of emptiness, neglect, or unspoken needs that have been ignored for years. And no, it's not just about sex. That's the trap most men fall into. They think if they provide, if they're good enough, nothing will ever go wrong. But the truth is far more subtle and far more dangerous. You see women operate on layers of emotional intelligence and social awareness that often surpass what men consciously register. A woman might smile at home, manage the household perfectly, appear loving and devoted, and yet inside she could be feeling profoundly disconnected. She starts to crave a spark validation, a mirror that reflects not just her physical beauty, but her emotional essence. And when that connection is absent at home, when communication turns transactional, when affection becomes routine, her mind begins to wander. Now, don't let your ego mislead you. This isn't to blame the husband conversation. It's about understanding psychology patterns and survival instincts. Women have evolved to notice subtle gaps, to sense emotional distance before it's obvious. When a man becomes emotionally unavailable, maybe he's stressed, distracted, or simply complacent, it triggers something primal. She starts evaluating options without even realizing she's doing it. Her loyalty is still there in one sense, but her curiosity, her desire for connection begins to explore the edges of temptation. Here's where most men completely miss the signs. These aren't always screaming alerts. She won't announce dissatisfaction. It's silent, creeping. Little detachment, a longer response time to your messages. Subtle avoidance of intimacy, an increase in friendly relationships outside marriage. And here's the painful part. By the time it's obvious, the emotional bond has been fractured for months, sometimes years, long before any physical act ever happens. So if you've been feeling like something's off in your marriage, this isn't paranoia. It's perception, what women feel when their emotional needs are neglected. And this is the very moment where prevention is possible, but understanding it means stripping away pride, ego, and denial. Stick with me because what I'll reveal next is the exact psychological triggers that make a woman consider betrayal and why it's not always what you think. Let's get brutally honest. There are invisible cracks in a marriage that men rarely notice until it's too late. Women are emotionally sophisticated. They don't just cheat because of opportunity. They cheat because of unmet needs that accumulate over time. Think about it. When was the last time your wife felt truly seen, not just noticed, but seen for who she is beneath the surface? Most men mistake presence for attention, but these are not the same. She can be in the same room with you, laughing at your jokes, touching your arm, and still feel completely invisible inside. When emotional needs are ignored, a psychological pattern begins. It starts with subtle curiosity, an innocent conversation, a compliment from someone outside, a moment where she feels appreciated, admired, or desired. In a way that feels different from home, her mind starts to categorize these moments as something missing. It's not about the other man initially, it's about filling a void that has been growing silently. Here's the truth. Men don't want to admit emotional neglect hurts deeper than physical absence. You can live in the same house, sleep in the same bed, and still be absent in the ways that matter. Most women crave emotional resonance, someone who reflects their feelings, fears, and dreams. When this resonance fades and you're only providing logistics, money, chores, planning, the heart begins to drift. It's subtle, almost imperceptible. At first, you think everything is fine, but she's mentally exploring the emotional possibilities elsewhere, and this is where guilt, secrecy, and shame begin. A woman doesn't jump into an affair blindly. It starts as an emotional safety net. Someone to confide in who is attentive, who understands her, who validates her existence. These connections, even if harmless at first, begin to erode her loyalty unconsciously. And once the emotional bond forms, the risk of physical betrayal grows almost inevitably. But here's the part most men never understand. Cheating is not always premeditated. It's often an instinctive reaction to feeling unseen, unheard, and emotionally neglected. This doesn't justify betrayal, but it explains the why behind the devastation. And the worst part, society conditions men to blame themselves, or worse, blame her yet. True prevention lies in comprehension, understanding the psychological triggers before they spiral into action. You need to see beyond excuses. A woman's mind is constantly evaluating emotional compatibility. Her happiness, security, and validation are interconnected with the intimacy you provide, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. If you're unaware, you are leaving gaps, and she will instinctively find ways to fill them if they remain empty for too long. Later, I'll reveal the exact psychological signs that predict cheating. These are subtle behaviors. Most men ignore that scream louder than words. Recognizing them early is your only chance to protect your marriage from emotional erosion. Now let's get into the signs that most men completely overlook. The small, almost invisible behaviors that reveal when a woman is emotionally drifting away and when betrayal is silently brewing. These aren't dramatic acts. They're subtle psychological signals that often go unnoticed until it's too late. I want you to pay close attention because spotting these early can mean the difference between saving your marriage and waking up to heartbreak. First, notice how she communicates. Has the tone of her messages, her laughter, or even the way she shares daily events changed? Emotional distance often begins in conversation. She might respond mechanically, keep discussion shallow, or avoid talking about feelings. She's not angry, she's not always upset. She's quietly disengaging men. Mistake this for moodiness, but it's actually a defense mechanism. When a woman feels emotionally neglected, she starts protecting herself, creating invisible walls that keep her vulnerability safe. Next, observe her attentiveness. Is she less curious about your life, your dreams, your struggles? Women subconsciously measure emotional investment. If she senses you've withdrawn or stopped engaging meaningfully, she begins to redirect her need for validation elsewhere. It could be a friend, a coworker, someone she feels understands her in ways that have been missing at home. And this connection, even if purely emotional at first plants, the seed of betrayal. Then watch her energy allocation. Is she suddenly spending more time on her appearance? Social media or external relationships, it's rarely vanity. It's signaling. Women are instinctively drawn to affirmation and recognition, and when she's not receiving it at home, her subconscious mind seeks it elsewhere. This doesn't happen overnight. It starts as curiosity, excitement, or feeling noticed, and slowly grows into emotional intimacy with someone outside the marriage. Another silent sign is secrecy. Is she guarding her phone, deleting messages, or avoiding sharing small details? She once freely offered emotional cheating, often precedes physical cheating. Secrecy is a protective mechanism for something she knows would hurt you if exposed, even if it hasn't crossed physical boundaries yet. Finally, notice her mood fluctuations around you. Subtle irritability, withdrawal, or emotional numbness can be indicators of internal conflict. She's torn between loyalty and the pool of unmet emotional needs. She may still love you, but her mind is exploring what she's missing. Understanding these signs isn't about paranoia, it's about awareness. The minute you recognize them, you can intervene intelligently, not reactively. Emotional drift is not irreversible, but it requires conscious effort, vulnerability, and deep engagement on your part. Stay with me because what I'll reveal next is even more critical. The psychological triggers inside a marriage that push a woman toward betrayal, and why most men unknowingly accelerate the process themselves. Now, I need you to really listen because this part will hit hard. Most men have no idea that their own behavior, often completely unintentional, can create the very conditions that push a woman toward betrayal. It's not about blame, it's about understanding patterns, triggers, and the psychology behind female fidelity. Knowing this is what separates men who preserve their marriages from those who watch them silently crumble. The first trigger is emotional unavailability. Women crave emotional intimacy more than physical presence. If you are constantly distracted, stressed, or dismissive, she feels unseen. Your silence or avoidance communicates a lack of care. Even if you are working hard or providing materially, this emotional absence isn't just noticed. It's felt at a cellular level. It leaves a void, a space where curiosity about someone else naturally begins to grow. Next, inconsistent attention is deadly. When you're affectionate one day, distant the next, it creates a psychological pattern that women can't ignore. Human brain, especially female brains, are wired to detect reliability in emotional support. Inconsistency triggers insecurity, and insecurity triggers exploration. Suddenly, she begins evaluating whether the emotional connection she craves exists elsewhere. Then comes the subtle erosion of respect. Women subconsciously gauge how valued they are through small cues, dismissive comments, lack of appreciation, or ignoring her opinions. Over time, these little slights accumulate, undermining her sense of belonging. She starts questioning her emotional safety in the marriage, and a vulnerable mind begins looking for validation outside. Another major trigger is neglecting her emotional labor. Think about it: managing a home, children, family responsibilities, social dynamics. It's exhausting. If her effort is constantly unreciprocated, unseen, or underappreciated, resentment grows silently. Emotional neglect doesn't scream, it whispers and whispered. Resentment can slowly become curiosity about someone who sees and values her contributions. Physical triggers play a role too, but not in the way most men assume. Women connect sex with emotional security. If intimacy is mechanical, rushed, or emotionally detached, it reinforces the perception that her needs, both emotional and physical, aren't truly met. This doesn't justify betrayal, but it explains why emotional neglect often precedes physical infidelity. And here's the kicker: most men never grasp. A woman doesn't plan to cheat as an attack on you. She cheats because the psychological system inside her, the system of needs validation, emotional resonance, has been left unattended for too long. It's not always malicious, it's survival instinct and the subconscious search for connection. The most powerful thing you can do now is recognize these triggers before they escalate. Awareness is prevention. Emotional drift doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow bleed. And the moment you see these patterns forming, you have a choice: intervene intelligently or let distance grow unchecked. Stay with me, because next I'll reveal the hidden emotional behaviors women display when they've already crossed the emotional line. The things that scream danger. If you know how to see them now, pay close attention, because this is where things get uncomfortable, but it's the reality every man needs to understand. There comes a point when emotional neglect, unaddressed distance, and unmet needs cross a line. And when that line is crossed, a woman starts exhibiting behaviors that are subtle yet unmistakable signals that she's already emotionally engaged outside the marriage. Most men miss them entirely because they're looking for drama instead of truth. One of the clearest signs is a shift in energy. She may be physically present, but mentally she's elsewhere. Conversations feel surface level. Laughter seems forced, and she often appears preoccupied with her phone or online interactions. These aren't coincidences. Her attention has already begun to divide, and her mind is subconsciously prioritizing emotional stimulation she isn't getting from you. Another major indicator is secrecy. Small things like closing her laptop abruptly, guarding her phone, or being vague about social plans are not just habits, they're protective mechanisms. For someone she's forming a hidden emotional connection with, this isn't about mistrust for the sake of control. It's a reflection of a bond that's beginning to matter more than the one she has at home. Notice changes in affection. She may withdraw from physical intimacy or make it purely routine, lacking the warmth, connection, or desire that once existed. Men often interpret this as stress or moodiness, but in reality, it's a psychological signal. Emotional energy invested elsewhere diminishes her ability to engage fully with. This is often when the emotional betrayal starts silently, even before physical acts occur. Watch her for signs of excitement outside the home, compliments from others, new friendships, or an eagerness to share experiences with someone else. Indicate that she's seeking validation outside your marriage. These interactions spark dopamine and emotional satisfaction, reinforcing patterns that could eventually lead to a deeper connection. Then there's emotional withholding. She might stop sharing her day, her worries, or her dreams with you. Small details that used to be routine, her frustrations, her hopes, even mundane experiences, vanish from conversation. This isn't rejection of you personally. It's an emotional retreat towards someone who is currently filling the void. Finally, notice subtle comparisons, casual comments about how someone else understands or listens better, even in passing, are warnings. Women do this unconsciously to measure emotional resonance. These comparisons are dangerous because they highlight deficiencies in your connection that she's already feeling, not imagining. Understanding these behaviors isn't about paranoia, it's about clarity. If you see these signs and do nothing, emotional distance can become permanent. But awareness allows intervention, communication, and rekindling before irreversible betrayal occurs. Stick with me, because next I'll reveal the exact steps men can take to prevent emotional infidelity before it spirals, and why timing is everything in saving a marriage from betrayal. Now it's time to face the most critical part of this conversation: what you can do to prevent emotional infidelity before it's too late. This isn't about grand gestures or cliches. It's about strategic, psychologically grounded actions that rebuild trust, closeness, and emotional resonance. Every moment you wait allows distance to deepen, but the right approach can reverse the trajectory even when it feels hopeless. First, start with self-awareness. Before you attempt to fix her, fix your own emotional availability. Women detect authenticity instantly. If you're distracted, resentful, or emotionally closed off, she senses it. Your job is to be fully present mentally, emotionally, and physically. This means active listening, noticing her moods, and engaging in conversations without defensiveness. Ask questions not to respond, but to understand. Next, reintroduce emotional validation. Women don't need constant compliments or flattery. They need to feel heard and understood. Reflect her feelings back to her without judgment. If she's frustrated about work, children, or personal struggles, validate her experience instead of offering solutions right away. Emotional resonance is the antidote to curiosity elsewhere. When she feels understood, the subconscious pull toward another source of validation. Weekends then rekindle intimacy through consistency. This isn't just about physical affection, it's about building predictable, positive emotional interactions. Schedule time for meaningful connection, even in small doses. A 15-minute conversation at the end of the day, a walk where phones are set aside, moments of shared laughter or vulnerability. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. It reassures her subconscious that her emotional needs will not be ignored. Transparency is equally vital if she senses secrecy, distance, or hidden agendas from you. It triggers defensive withdrawal. Share your thoughts, your struggles, and your intentions openly. Vulnerability fosters trust, and trust closes the gaps where curiosity and temptation take root. Next, reignite admiration. Women unconsciously measure their partner's engagement and value through appreciation and recognition. Show gratitude for her efforts, acknowledge her intelligence, her contributions, and her presence. This isn't manipulation, it's recalibrating the emotional balance that has been lost. Finally, create shared experiences that foster bonding. Emotional and physical connection flourish where positive, memorable interactions occur. Shared challenges, adventures, or even small routines like cooking together or laughing at a private joke rebuild neural pathways associated with trust, safety, and love. Preventing infidelity is less about control and more about creating an environment where emotional needs are met before curiosity grows. If you act now with awareness and strategy, you can reverse patterns that might otherwise lead to betrayal. Now, let's uncover the ultimate truth, the one that most men never hear, never understand, and are rarely warned about. Women cheat, not always out of malice, not always out of desire for rebellion, but because human psychology, unmet needs, and emotional survival intersect in ways that most men overlook. This is not about punishment or blame, it's about awareness and prevention. Understanding this truth is what separates men who lose their marriages from those who preserve them. The core reason women stray even after vows and promises is emotional starvation. They crave resonance, validation, and the feeling of being truly seen. Without it, loyalty becomes fragile. No matter how much love or money you provide, a woman will naturally, almost instinctively seek that connection elsewhere if she feels it is absent at home. It's not betrayal in the first moments. It's instinct, a search for equilibrium in her emotional world. Here's the hard part. Men rarely admit you are not powerless, but the window to act is narrow. Once emotional bonds shift outward, once she finds understanding or excitement with someone else, restoring the original connection becomes exponentially harder. The longer neglect persists, the deeper the curiosity grows, and the more likely emotional or physical cheating becomes. This is why awareness, timing, and action matter more than any grand romantic gesture. The truth also carries hope. Relationships aren't doomed by human psychology. They are shaped by conscious effort, attention, and emotional intelligence. If you consistently provide attention, validation, and emotional presence before gaps widen, you protect the bond from erosion. Emotional fidelity is reinforced by awareness, effort, and subtle intentional actions that show she's understood, valued, and desired in ways no one else can replicate. Finally, internalize this mindset. Preventing infidelity is not about controlling her. It's about mastering the emotional environment of your marriage. It's about being awake to the silent signals, noticing the subtle shifts, and responding with clarity, empathy, and psychological insight. The moment you stop assuming loyalty is automatic is the moment you gain real power to preserve it. Men, the lesson here is stark emotional neglect kills marriages more than dishonesty. Emotional connection is the backbone of fidelity, the invisible force that keeps love strong. When temptation arises, protect it, nurture it, and understand it. When you do, you create a bond that is almost impervious to outside influence. Remember this, she will always test the depth of your presence, even unconsciously, your awareness, your effort, your psychological insight. These are what keep her heart anchored to you. Treat these truths with respect, act with intention, and the love you've built can endure even in a world filled with distraction and temptation.